wait. Amazulu by Unarams. Oh yeah. Unarams featuring Tando Zite and Pila Dlozi. Such a nice song. One of my faves on this album. I'm gonna play Takara because Takara is also my favorite. I'm almost at my destination though, so I'm gonna play one more song and then be out. Amazulu is the title of the song. It is by Unaram featuring Tando Zite and Pila Dlozi. Pila Dlozi. Meet me at the altar. Even this one is my favorite. So I was going for Takara, but I'm so pretty face, making lovely memories. It's a celebration. Hey. We got all the love we need. We got friends and family gathered happily. Takara Day, it's a wedding day. I have finally found the one for me. And we're happy. What you want away? Darling, when you say I do, hope you say too, darling. Hope you say too. When I hey.
From here on, I got you. Oh God, give me the one
Where's
that
this
you
guy?
want to. Gladly, with open arms, I'm here, so ready. No second thoughts, tight grip, so steady. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I say I do for me. Oh, now pour your love into me. Yeah, if it's give and take.
Where's this
I'm
guy?
here, so ready.
What is it, man?
To give you my all, I feel, you feel me. Yeah, yeah.
Friends and family gathered happily. Takara Day, it's a wedding day. I have finally found the one for me.
And we're happy. Na, na, na.
Oh, darling. I do say.
I do.
What do you say? You know what I'm gonna say. Wena. Awa, kisha. Ngangirela ntwe ya. Ngangirela ntwe ya wona. Yes. Wena udula uja kanti kini?
It's my first meal today.
Kina kwa man? Amara udula uja man. Ushapu. Oh.
So the lady Nabula Leba. Man, they're only doing the outside, so it's kind of.
That's fine. Kita ebela mo. Sharp.
It's alright. I'll get another one.
Usho?
Yeah.
Ah, shem. O abuto ako sa manitio. Thank you. Oh, take it. I just want to park properly. But timna niya kasi driver. Nga worry ngay mi. I've been shooting the whole week. Kind of lamli azula. Niyangizo. Same, sweetie. Same, my love. Irina, wangane ninaye. Irina, wangane ninaye. Otakara zuiro, takara ninaye. Takara ninaye. Ooh. Oh, it's such a beautiful day. It's such a good day to have a good day. How are you guys doing? Let me check on you guys. Let me turn down the volume. Actually, let me just pause the whole thing. How are you guys doing today? Is everything okay? Are you wearing shorts, Duma? Firstly, my name is not Duma. My name is Ntando. My surname is Rambani. 2, what are you gonna do if I'm wearing shorts? Why are you asking random questions like that as a man on Instagram? Why? I want to know why. Anyways, yeah, Perisha. Oh, Perisha's again. Perisha Brayak. We are fine, but Sisiacha. Same Tandwa. Actually, why did I switch off the car? Sana. I need some aircon. But aircon gives me sinuses, so I mean, serious shit. Work is hectic. At least you have a job. I think more than anything, you must be grateful. But doesn't mean that when work is hectic, you must say work is nice when it's actually hectic. I get you. I have a bad headache. Any remedies? Oh, Standwa, sorry. Even me, I had headache for the past 2 weeks. It was so weird because I'm not the person to have I'm not someone to have headache, and I took painkillers. I don't know what they're called. I'm gonna find out for you when I get home. I'm gonna ask my husband. You sounded like Smartle for a second. I'm so dead. How does Smartle sound like? How does Smartle sound like? Drink water. I have plenty of scoobos in this house. You actually judge me. In this house, that is my car. That is, yeah. But so to answer your question, I drink a lot of water, but I still get the headache sometimes. Can you video call me on Instagram so I can see your face? Okay, you're being weird. Let me block you. It's those old babas who don't know what to do with their accounts. Bye. Lega Duma isiyosala nathi ke ngoba bafana basithathe serious njengawe. Sana clock it. Have you guys seen my my Ackerman's window pictures? Even they got the surname right. Ntando Rambani. So mawuthi Duma mina ngithi hey. Lo muntu ukhuluma nobani? Yo, ngisamangalanga, ngiseshocked. I'm so shocked because even my ID, bro, my ID. You don't even have passport, bro. My passport, bro. Shame. It's gonna take a while for everyone to adjust. But kancane kancane, stuku na stuku. Kancane kancane. Delicious tsa gago di ntlehle. Thanks Chomi. And ntho ya ka ya fela ke mascara e ya ka ya fela. Ke tlo re mna ka ang rekela. Is you and Rams dating? No. Who's Ramza? Who's that? Why am I dating people I don't know? I'm single, babe. Respect our lady, Mrs. Rams, son. But guys, you can call me Ntando. Like, I'm okay with you guys calling me with my first name. I really don't mind. Mrs. Rambani, our son. The only person who's allowed is my husband. Yes, is my husband. Oh, my bang busy home first. Mrs. Rambani, yes. Oh, and my bang visa in official places, you know. Oh yes, that's me. Hi Maxi Sanjemol, Mrs. Ramban. I nizu yang rasel chomi. Nizu ngondandoi. Dandoi. Yeah. Emihle, what's your problem? Today. I'm today. I'm serious. And then I'm going to so please don't please. Thanks. Oh my gosh. Yo, usile Dina. Yo, Huafisa. Oscar la moment. Huafisa.
Are you not in a rush? You're not in a rush, miss, right now.
Oh, nyagai. So nyaga mafetse?
Yeah, niki muditse ra ile ka speed.
Mara nyaga mafetse?
Yeah, depending hore wena o jahile.
No, it's fine. Mara why is wa batauta?
She laptop.
Okay, it's fine. Mara ba fetsa no. Like 10-20 minutes.
Yeah.
That's fine. Claim. Sharp. Khopela o send a text monna ka mo motse position gore re fitli. And you are delaying me. Yeah. Oh, you're going to send a voice note ka phone ya. Rona ba go jola. Ah, shame. Your mouth says I get stress, mara sma lo sa o ish. Thanks. Hi my friend. Arrived alive. This guy is taking my time. He's still waiting for his car to finish, but no rush. Hey, my phone. He probably won't even check your thingy because your messages are not a priority. But you know what? Let me text him with this phone. Sharp. So we are guy. That side. Sharp. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm back. Yo, I don't know how many times I must ask the Facebook question, guys. It's literally written on my bio. I don't have an existing Facebook account. So if you see anything on Facebook, it's not me. But it's just for a while. It'll be down very soon. Don't worry, guys. I know, and some of you guys are actually so mad on my behalf, and I appreciate it. I need moral support. When why Utomuni is not a priority in my husband's life, yes, he's not. Son, I'm not uncocky, and it's not a bad thing. Knowing that you're not a priority in someone's life, it's not a bad thing. Don't feel bad also. I mean, when he needs to respond to his messages, he does, but he's not. I know my husband's priorities. I'm not lying. I'm not trying to be funny about it, you know. Anyways, yeah. I got short nails. I've got short white nails because of you. My husband just said, okay, never mind. I'm gonna tell this guy. Now I blocked that account a long time ago since you said you don't have Facebook. I don't. But all the Facebook accounts that are existing currently, and one of the people, the person that's running that account is probably watching this live. When know that your fun and your enjoyment is going to end very soon. Very soon. You're making money off my name. Like, are you crazy? You even scamming people. Walwala too much. Shem, I really appreciate you guys reporting on my behalf, but apparently you actually can't because there isn't like the original existing page that you can refer to say to Meta, or this is the person that this person is imitating. So it's okay. It's okay, but it's gonna be down very soon. It's okay. I appreciate it so much, guys. Thank you to those people who reported, who have blocked, who have spread the word. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Yes, are you Zulu? Yebo, ngumzulu. Both my mom and dad are Zulu. Ngingumzulu. Yo, nhlanhla nginamali Shem. Unayo yes. I think what annoyed me to the core when Ria is when they started posting my kids. Now you're not going to make money off my kids. So very soon. Like, don't do that. Don't do that. And I know this person is literally watching this live. So just know that your days are very much numbered. Your days are very much numbered. Anyways, I was trying to install my hair because, wow, life is hectic. I don't know how I did. Let's find out together. I know I didn't do a good job. And I don't care. I feel no I should see so you keep us so. What's happening? Oh, Jehovah. So ngikhipha kanjani manje masengibamba umlala kanje bathungu nawe into. Also so simping I'm on Facebook. Yep, that's fake. It's nice Shem to me here, but here bon she's saying I forgot Shem. Next time it's gonna be better. Ooh, I sang ngathi ngibanjwe ngathi manje ngiyinja sengikhamekile. Ooh, hayibo. Ngisizeni bandla. Now our mothers think you're on Facebook. Chill me. Abanga. It's okay. It's gonna end very soon. Give me until end of October. I'm not even like, give me until end of October. Oh, I sang nyanyisa intambo kanti nina niqhaqha njani? So yenzi vele so yenzi isiphotayi once. Kuyadlalwa ngamne. Yeah. Yeah. Sihle Zulu sakho, I wonder if wasifunda esikoleni no naturally speak that way. Esikoleni abasifundisa ukukhuluma isiZulu, basifundisa ukubhala isiZulu. Esikoleni like bebesiropa yazi mangithi ngiyacabanga bebesiropa. Why but to answer your question, It wasn't a question we were wondering, but to answer what you were wondering about. Yeah. You did it nice. This next time will be more nicer. I hope so. I really hope so. Thanks, Choms. Thanks. Oh no. Wait a minute. I have got to be. Wait a minute. Oh, bandla. I hope ke iyahlala ngoba mayingahlali izokhala shem. I hope he has sevens. Otherwise, it will swap. Wait for it to dry. Ooh, bangani. Kufanele ngihambe. Manje mangiwait ukuthi dry. Ngizovala nini ngoba kufanele ngihambe. Hayi, yabona. Ayana, something is happening. Hey, bakithi. No man, yazini ngi-magician. Put the band again. Ayo, Chomi ha. Iband ibuhlungu hayi. Mayifaka isikhathi eside. Chomi it's fine. Hayi, Chomi it's fine. Ngifuna ukuba muhle kakhulu esh. Bazosuke bangincome imini yonke. Nami safanele ngise thanks. Ngiyabonga Nkosi yami. Hawu Jehova ngiyabonga. Hayi, Chomi it's fine. Yo, no ways this girl. No. I don't want this girl on my life, guys. I'm gonna block her. Woo! Ngifuni. Angifuna ukufaka le ntombazana ku live yami inesidina. Kanti uzani Orange Farm. Ngizokwenzani dali Orange Farm ngoba ngiyeza but angithi ngimemezi mangiye ekhaya. But ngizokwenzani maybe when ufuna for a course, for a certain course. Ngizokwenzani? My vision hurts. Yes, I'm not even that bad. I promise you. Now I'm just saying. Hey girl. Yes, eating is bambi. Fanele ngihambe yazi sekafikile shem umuntu engizeni ngayela. Uyaphi mngani? Ngithe ngiyaphi mangifonela ekseni? Mara ngiyatwafu. Wathi mina wathi unamachankura hey washo kimi. Whoa. I-topic asamachankura. Okay. Yeah. Mkhozi unjani? Ngiyaphila unjani? First of all, iphile nje giqala manje ka yini. Yengisengise bhuthini. Sharp. Oh, so sharp. Bani ufihlile? Oh, so ufihlile lapho ngiyibona imoto yakhipaka. Mara sathi nginenzela story time yekela ke ubani loyo? Ayi. Okushuthayo? Yeah. Wow. So ubuyela futhi esalon unemali ngishilo. Esalon yakho manje? Ungazothi ngibongekho nje kuseni. Ngizenzile ngicela ukubabonisa ngicela ukhipha iband nalento. Wow. Hayibo ngizenzile mina. So ubabhadala. Yeah. Wow. So why ubakhokha? Oh my god. Tell a job. Wow. Rock it. Mama ayithanda. Yabona mhlenze ngifake ifilter. Yeah, so because ngifuna ningibona ama imperfections and shit. Oh yeah, no. Sanibonani njani? Ntando khona umuntu othi hi Duma. Ntando khona umuntu othi hi Duma send me 500 amsendele bese. Hayi egama lamasuduma akungiyeke. Qale nje lapho. Mkhozi. Ngiyaphila khona always. Okay.
ake ningixokeleni iskin sami siyabuya bangani ithini kimi iclock it ishona iskin coming back ishoni kimi before nginihlekisa ithini clock it
Ithini mina ngithi wow ngileke ithini. Othini
angina
wow.
filter mara nje ke wow Ntando
Ishoni phela ithini wow.
wow Ntando
Nazo-ke.
wow
Hayi sisi njani? Ngiyaphila awuse happy. Ubona mina.
ngithenga namanzi mina
Okay,
kuyashisa
ukekelani.
amanzi
Ya ibukhuluma nawe. Abuti, I'm
kuyashisa
fine.
nginawo
How
wonke
are you?
amasayizi mantombazane
Abalapisa too much.
amanzi methi yabo this why skin sinje clock it amanzi bangani bami nezwe lo makangimute nami ngiyamuteka phela sowumutile manje niyangizwa bangani bami niyangizwa bangani shuthi abasangizwa-ke yabona-ke shuthi ungimutile wabamuyutha wangimutha I'm Jay. I'm Jay.
How are you?
Good thanks, how are you? Yeah. Oh, you can hear me. I'm saying, please buy my water, guys. Buy my water, please. I have 1 liter, 5 liter,
And Jeff
500.
uyajima so uyawathanda amanzi uzowathenga.
Wow, talk it, Jeff.
Ngitshiyele bethu.
Yeah.
Talk it, Jeff.
Arukara
Thanks.
12.
12. That's amazing, Jeff. I appreciate it. Thanks, Jeff. So, nenza njani niyathenga or kanjani nifana no Jeff or ngiphume kini? Ngiphume kini niyathenga lamanzi or ngiphume kini? Mina ngihlale Western Cape Tom ayikhethi as long as you are around South Africa we deliver everywhere ungezi nama excuse Chomi ngifuna ukubona i-DM yakho uthi ngiya order angaka angifuni sicabane Chomi ungangitshela ukuthi uhlale Western Africa ila ngafika khona sizothenga don't worry and ninje ningikhohlisela ku live mangifika ama DM dry mhlambe kuna 5 people abathenga ayinina wena mphothula awuthuli ngiyathanda ukufakaza ndunamanga thola
Umphomponyana unamanga.
unamanga tanki ngcono uyamazi ixoki lengane encane
Umphomponyana
levarsity
ixoxile ngane.
eyifesi unemanga lengane le and amnandi ngicela ngithenge yabo unothi imuphi unothi naye ngathi linye ixoki ngathi akazi nje athenga unamanga
Unothi uyathenga.
hayi akathenganga xoki-ke lengane uye Chomi awuye ulwethu ukuthi siyocela i-taste yabona nina ninje-ke uyaye wena ulwethu ukuthi before ngiwathenga lamanzi ngicela i-taste uyasho hayi mina ngiphumile kini enhleke ngiphumile kini yabona nje sathi ufuna ukuthi ngiphumile Chomi it depends Chomi angisho nginama-size are-different so I got it from 12 going upwards 12 24 48 kanjalo kanhlalwane there's this size which is a 1 liter scoop ooh guys amnandi amanzi ami ukuthi nje mhlambe ngoba phela ningafuni bese nginalawa. This is sparkling water. Once you see this cap, you must know this is sparkling. And then once you see the blue cap, it's ionized. Sithe sorry ngitanda uthenga ungalibeli ukuthi sorry. Ungalibeli ukuthi sothenga. Awu nangilona thi sorry. Thenga Chomi. Manje angisancane ngisenyalwa ngiyagura manje. Ayafika eSouth Korea Chomi uyazi ukuthi awafika eSouth Korea and ngiyazi ukuthi ngabe kudala uthengile but Chomi ngibuye ngikwenzeni wena ngibuye ngikusole mawula eSouth Africa ngabe uyawathenga waqokelelwa wafaka esuitcase uhambe na mara ukwenzi lokho so nje ayikho excuse yakho nawe I've been going to Sibahle Siyakho so I can support wena yabona Liaho you are one of the best yabona nako umuntu othenga amanzi ke lo hlala khona ke every month Liaho is my best customer guys nginazi nonke kanye Ninazi nonke one by one. Liaho best to ever do it. So nje ningalinge nina thengana amanzi ami mani nanicela buka lawa sengwacedile. Guys, I drink water langwa. I drink my water in Cape Town, everywhere in South Africa. As long as you are based in South Africa, yes, it gets delivered. Thando lams. For me, kuyathenga mkhozi abothanda abaningi ngababona. Ukuyathenga mkhozi. Nini mkhozi ngikhumbuze. Angifuni ukukuphisa wena because kunabothanda abaningi abathengayo. So I don't want to say no you didn't. Chomi bakithi ungihlangabeze Arjan in Jan with the water. Ungibhora ngizothumela udriver akuhlangabeze ungidina January yosho into yani in 2026 songidinile life in wena. Please send us the price. Chomi ngidm mngani wami. And then nginganisendele nje price list bese niyathula. Guys thengisapoteni kupa support. Mara you're not saying the price. Chomi i-price ngeke ngikwazi ngeke uyizwe understand noma ngisho manje ngithi i1 liter 174 i12. So just DM me mina ngizokulahlela ngani nge-price list. Ngizokulahlela nge-price list then you have an idea. Uyanihlalahanya le? Ngiyenzeleni umusa nje nithenge noma i12 bangani bami ngidayisa nama 5 liter noma ningathenga ama 5 liter ayi10 nithenga ama 5 liter ke 30 rand. 30 rand, I'm sure nase it's like 30 rand or something. Nje nangihlalahanya ne. Ning DM bangani bami yacanthenge. Ndifuna i-lipstick because yazi because akhona ne asele from Ama Lips. Angithi uyazi ukuthi ngiya rebranda ne. Sengi Ama Cosmetics manje. So
Wow, as my
hayi wena man hey man. So Chomi lawa wakudala the Ama Lips asasekhona. Unga DM i-Ama Lips or nginikeza inamba yomuntu ozothenga kuye 074 300 4820. Even the water, that's where you buy. I'll DM you. I need 150 for Saturday. Chomi khona nalabo speaking in ama 150 for like ama events anjalo untando ngomshado wakhe wathenga so la mancane ama 330 ml uyanhlalanya. So nje I don't have them here. Nje uyanhlalanya la ngithala ukhanya 30 rand i5 liter Chomi. The big liter. Yes. Ngiyacela ngisupporteni yes. Oh yeah.
Isupporteni bandla umntana kaJehova.
74 34820. Yes, that's the number. Futhi guys, how do I pin this? Oh, come back see I'm limpahla. Sengifuna ukuphina kanti akusimo phina. So is your cosmetics available at Mr. Price? No, it's just online store mngani. Angakafiki lapho kulelo zinga for now. Uyandlalwanya. So guys, if you can buy nje, yazi ningibhayele, yazi nami ngizizwe.
Mbhayeleni bakwethu.
Elistina lesi. Nangithalanya ne nithenge.
Ngicela ukhanyenge bandla.
Umi wena focus lapho wena man. So guys, nithenge bambani le number enhleki.
Bambani number guys, bambani
at the same time for ama price list actually.
074 300 4820. Bambani wazani manje 074 300 4820.
Angiphinela yona Duma bazo screenshot.
No ibhali wena ngisase business ephina.
Oh.
And ungabe ngibiza ngoDuma ngizokushaya lesiphongo sokugcina.
Sorry phela nkosi yami Remzito. Nayi inombolo ntando iphineke mkhozi. Uphina la le number lezo uyiphina la nenzani nayi WhatsApp at same time. Fa and ningambuzi kuphela nimane nilonithenga abangani bami ngiyazi inyanga iyaphela abanganayo manje inyanga masiphela. Oh. Yabona?
Inyanga iphelile zithandwa yenzani njalo.
Ntando who's Duma Ntando to me bathi ngifana naye nami ngiyabezwa nje abantu bathi in kanjani njani ufana naye in.
Kodwa ungaphika umuntu usemzini wakhe awuthuli.
So kule number hambani nihlasele uzonishanga ama price list. Niyangizwa? Hlaselani le number nicela i-price list.
Nibucele ne-price list ye-slush ne-popcorn uzonisiza the same person.
The same person enizocela kuye lama number for amanzi kukhona nama-slash puppy nangikhalwanye
Happy pho, ayibo. Ayibo. Hey man, yazi ngikhulumisa ngaphambi kwabantu awume phapi.
kanti slash bani kanti slash bani i-slash hayi kanti nina wayi manje usenifaka amanambeni guys nina angazi noma nisazongizwa guys, someone was trying to call me.
Siyakuzwa.
Okay. I-slash puppy kantini or ngihlukanisa those are two different things.
Price lenyama yikho lana. Yo nizodideka.
Khona
Inyama
udayisa
yikho
inyama
lazithandwa. Ayibo ibray, awusazi manje ibray?
right
Wey, uvela ubona ukuthi ikhanda liyaduma bandla.
ubani udayisa inyama
Vele as far as long as isibongo sakho kuduma ikhanda lizoduma.
because ubani udayisa inyama
Thando wawudla inyama, ngikodele inyama kade.
lena okay lena emakhaya wo hayi mani yazi ngicabangele zami ngisho ukuthi mhlawumbe uyi-ambassador yenyama hayi bo ngisho ukuthi uyi-ambassador yama-pieces awudumi. Iyabona-ke labantu abangifonela angisaboni-ke ama-comment sengizonitshela kanjani yonke le nto ayi iyabona
Ngizongibona manje guys ngingawari sasebhizi kancane.
ama-comment angisawaboni nabantu bami ama-customer ami ngizowaphendula ngithini-ke
Phuma ngizofaka futhi yekela
ya
uku-stress phuma. Uthreatenisha bani manje wena? Uthreatenisha bani? Ukhipha manje. So slash pump.
Tando i-slash puppy ne-slash into eyi-one
Ngicabangani mawucabanga? Singibuza ukuthi think how far?
because I thought it's the same thing. That's why mina ngibiza nge-slash puppy mos.
Hey, Quzu my brother. Quzu my brother.
Hey guys, asichubekeni nkosi yami thatheni le number ngithi thatha inamba ni-DM nithenge amanzi nithenge i-slash puppy nama-popcorn nithe noku hayi ikhona inamba yasesaluni akusiyo le yasesaluni angidum talk it wena angithi niyambona-ke sowuphumile kithi ama-comment angisawaboni futhi shuthi bekumele ukuthi ngiphuma like totally like that and come back intando mfana still angiwabona ama-comment abantu bami nkosi yami bayazi nabangani bami uphulile umoya wami ama-comment wena ngiwaboni intanda kasanginaki cabanga ukuphuma phinde bese ngiyabuya angisaniboni bangani bami ngiyazi ukuthi niyangizwa but I cannot see your guys' comments. All I'm asking from you guys, please buy my water, right? Hey, I'm supposed to go to this camp. I'm so lazy, man. Hey, I'm so lazy. Do I go? Can't tell. Can't tell. Dando mfana khuluma kuphela ngizophuma ngiphinde ngibuye.
Kwenze njani Thando?
Tando,
Hmm?
come on. Ngiyaphuma futhi ne. Yangizwa?
Yebo.
Ngiyabuya, ungifake.
Kanti kwenze njani?
Angiwabona ama-comment abantu bengikhohlwa ukuthi sweet.
Ifodi yakho.
Yeah, ngikhohlwa ukuthi sweet.
Yenza sweet. Kwamanje.
Sharp.
Ne-attitude phela mina ukuthi mayingidini. Isale kahle guys. Bye bye. Ngakamnandi yo. Wasambuzo king khasmat. Oh, wena wa gafa. Yo, kufanele ke McDonald's into cheap ibili. Thank you. Kanti lo girl. Hayi phela mina ngizophuma. Niyabona guys ukuthi i-week yami ihlalile. Ayishongo next ithule yathi do. Ithule yathi do. Thank you, Siho. Oh, she's someone here. Every day solo ngimuhle awu sweet, thank you. Yes. Ngiyazamela bakithi nami, yazi ngizamela impilo. Okay phela nawusho ukuthi tuke kweng. Ngazathi manje yeke. Guys, nithanda ukwenza ngazathi mina mangifake ifilter ngiyasaba ukuthi ngimubi, angikho mubi. And the skin sami siyavuthela. Please. Ngingangenzi umuntu omubi kanti angikho into enhle nje. Skin siyavuthela. Mangisebenzisa ifilter ngoba i-choice nje. Please. And it's not like angikaze ngingibone without. It's not like angikaze ngiziposte without. Kanti lona umele yini? Oh my gosh. Ngiyakufaka ufakeki geli.
Mawufuna ngiphume live sheshushu.
Njani? Siyaphila bhuti. Ngenza njani? Ngicima imoto.
Sengicela ukubona ikhiye yemoto.
Oh, nice.
Siyabonga.
No problem.
Nayi vesi yakhe ingana makeup inganayo.
Ngizekile ne? Bye bye.
Vesi yakhe ingana.
Sabona malume. Hayi bandla
Awusafika usahleki.
akasadli izidlu bhuti. I-security lisengicima imoto. Ufuna ukubona isikhiya semoto. Ngiyambonisa. Manje lokho edla izidlu into engapheli.
Wow. Talk phela indaba yaphela.
Hayibo phela indaba bengathi ngiyaxoxa or anything. Well, othi ngikufake. Bengithi maybe khona into ofuna ukuyisho girl.
Yes, I've got a story but wena ubusy mos. Sawuthathile.
Angikho busy ngimamela. Ngicedile ngisaya to the next location. Sengicedile ukushutha la bengishutha khona.
Ushuthile?
Kanti uJeff bekafuna lapha mangaba ngishuthanga.
Ngibona ukuhleka nathi.
Ikhona lezi time bengahleki.
Udrive namhlanje bafo. Iplace ngona namhlanje.
Ile enye mos.
Ayi unzima kuloko.
Angijazi. Yo yanyanyisa shem.
Bari nyadang banyadi, nyadang bafana banyadi.
Nyadang ay wena gwadesu. Aw nyadang banyadi.
Nizwile maritele yamkhletar. Wow. I'm obsessed.
Hayi Thando, it's not like awukwazi uyidrive ungavini isidina again.
Angali, but the way it's a bububu ngakhona. Ngathi my drive for him ngathi angiyifoki kahle. My drive awuyiphinde futhi.
Ima ngiserobotini manje.
Phinda Ntwewu, mphithele Ntwewu. Phitha Ntwewu wena man.
And manje bazobe basifaka lapha ku TikTok what's best lives ever. Peter Ntwewu. Unokuphithisa.
Ubonginothisa lo mfana uphi? Angimazi ukuthi bani lo screen lokho. You know what bana You know what?
Nakhu ngiyaphitha Ntwewu.
Peter Ntwewu. Peter Ntwewu. Peter Ntwewu. Peter Ntwewu. Peter Ntwewu.
Thando, hayi sengiphithile phela, it's enough.
Peter Ntwewu.
Sengiphithile, no. Sengiphithile, stop it.
Whoa. Iyo. Yabona ma u-DJ bangakaze basho ukuthi yiyo mawudlala hayi. Uyabheda fana uye
Sekushiwo
esikoleni.
kanjalo manje emaklabhini kuthiwa yiyo.
Yiyo. Yina uyazizwa ma u-DJ ukuthi hayi. Kanti sengiceda ukwenzani kahle manje. Bathi yiyo. Waba u-DJ bangakaze bakuthipha. Waba u-DJ bangakaze bathi yiyo. Ngiphumile ku awusu-DJ awusumntana like awusihlobo sethu ezama DJ. Ha, yiyo. Yazi mawuthi uyabheka and bayakhomba dani bathi yiyo. Ngithi yo.
Bengazi ke.
Yo, abagroovayo mabakhulumi. Nginamanga anikaze nisho kubo DJ nina nithi yiyo. Mina bayasho kimi. Yo, mabangasho sengimane ngiphathwe inhliziyo ngithi khona bengasiyo the set. Nayo. Yo. Jovito. Unginothisa Jovito.
Thando uyanyanyisa shem.
Yo, niyayizwa mara lempahla. Yiyo. Na yiyo. Awunamanga tanki. Yabona lo
Thando
akasakhulu.
awuqhubeke
Akazazi.
cosmetic. Thando ama cosmetic ehamba njani kunani.
Cosmetics nithenge bangani bami khona ama brush. There are brushes left. There's eyeshadow left.
Thando sorry. Labantu abakhuluma so ama brush abachazi
Bathini?
ama brush nomshwanelo.
Oh.
Or laba abakhuluma so bathi ama brush nomshwanelo.
Oh.
Abachazi. Nabayangichaza yo. Ngikho ngihlele ngifonela owethu njalo. Owethu hello
Usile.
Hi Charms.
Untando yathanda ukulingiselana angimazi ukuthi orudalwe kanjani but akusumntana nje olalelayo from dala from nanini na.
Umntana olalelayo from ukudala.
Nanoma ngihlangana nabantu estrathini bathi
yiyo
ayi
Hlanya.
mantando ngimane ngale ngoba ngithi wadi ufuna ungishaya ngempama lento idelelile. Ngithi asini. Ngize ngikhipha ifoni ngithi nangu yena ngithi nangu lo yena bathi uwe ngithi nangu yena hey yabasaba yo. Thando uyanini edisc Chomi ngizoya. It's just 1 minute away. Stop. Ngizoya. Mangayi gocula le phone. Ngubonise
Usiphamandla lo.
Othini?
Othini?
Awuwakhona uMelisa la uthi ngiyani nediscam. Ngithi ngitswafa njani?
Uyothenga kanti discount.
Hiyo. Ntando ngiyothenga idiscam.
Ngizobona ngiyothenga makina job uma kimi honestly.
No, ngizobona khona ngifisa nje ukuya khona ngazi ngizobona.
Ayazi uhlulwa imali ke umuntu abala discount kuyabiza.
Amacela usizwise nawe. Chomi eyami seyimane yapanja akusana nix. Ayisasho. Ayisasho mngani. Asiyi.
Yakho ngikhale ngisho ukuthi ivusa umntwana iyadina. Ivusa umntwana eyakho.
Asiyiyo mngani. Qeda ipetrol lento. Abantwana baphethe indodla thina sina nix.
Hayi
Tano khona uthi boring asho kithi.
Manje ungenelele Gary. Bani igama wena Gerald Rele.
Gerald asho kithi athi nje. Stop.
Ungenelele ngoba akekho kubizile hey. Yabona ke guys, yabona. Angibonanga
Hello
ngekhathi
Katlego.
ngabe ngivele ngayithi vathane zoyithi
Awubonakali ushayile musilokhu. Yeah, the number is for you to order water, to order slush puppy, my popcorn, and cosmetics. Bo love, ngiyanicela bo Angel. Langwa bo love.
Le traffic eyakuphi manje?
But when is the book coming out?
Excuse me. Soon and very soon. Soon and very yeah, excuse me.
Ari you. Then I won't kape gigini once. I will
Yo. I don't miss that place in sharp kanjani. Yo.
Just once.
Neti, khona ngizoza nje uyiyo. Ungangirekhodela mos.
You.
Someone is asking, do you also do birthday packages for your cosmetics?
So mingakwenzela nje ngoba uwe. Ngakwenzela mkhozi. DM leyo na I mean bhalela leyo number leyo batshela ukuthi ufunani bangakwenzela. Ngoba uwe mkhozi. Futhi izinto ziseselini by the way 50% off. Mathang nangu.
Khanya ungibonile. Kwaze ngizothini lehlanya iyangiphetela.
Uthini untando? Uthini ukhanya?
Yo, ayi bandla. Thando nawe ubucheka wethu sizobe sibablocker later how. Angithi ngiyadrive.
Hey, ngiyababonga ngiyababheka. Umara lo yami screenshotini ngoba ngimthathanga ngicela.
Hayi ngimblokile.
Good. Yeah, good.
Bengithi wena ukamthathi.
Ngimnandi ngalo ngijwayela kabi. Sale online, no, on the number. Online you're gonna buy 100%. And then on this number, 50% off, my love. Umuntu oyedwa bembili nami ngimane ngithuke Sanele. Ayi.
Same Sanele mfethu ngivele ngithi vele ngimkhombe ngithi ngiyo.
Mina ngithi ngimi mangimkhomba ngithi ngimi Sanele. When is the sale ending? Because I want to order for the 1st of November. Of November. Mngana ngoba uwe ngizokulinda.
Wow. What's on the luck, girl?
Nginomusa namhlanje manifisa ukwenza izinto zenzeni namhlanje kule live ngoba i-Black Friday yiyo leyo mngani 50% off yiyo leyo i-Black Friday mngani wami mina yamseyithomile nalapha history seyithomile
i Black Friday
nase choreographed I was checking something kunje seyithomile mari November
ithomile so kune advance yayo.
I tomed. I saw other shops have already tomed, but usually it happens in about November. Like, let me go straight to the number. I got
slow.
To deliver in Guatemala, Angel everywhere in South Africa, my love. Onke indawo South near ngizon deliver. I wish I had this kind of relationship with my sister. Manje yane. Wenzani usister? Maseke kushayisa Masai chu.
Tell some shy. Please block Sindisiwe thanda uchoka uSindisiwe.
Chomi anginayo ne. Ningathengi online. Online there's no sale, but on this number there is sale. Okay? I need you to understand me very nice and clean. There's no sale online. If you buy oh busindisiwe.
Thanda kuthiwa check uSindisiwe.
Ngilong checka yena. Sindisiwe uthi
athi senza ngcono ngoba siku live ayiso ukuthi dawe ibhajuju wena yase Yellow House uyahlanya hayimo siku live athi umuntu nizenza ngcono ngoba sisiku live awuna data naka wena ayi dawe ibhajuju wena
yes Sanelisiwe what you can do just go on the website just check the catalog is there and then you just screenshot whatever you'd like to buy, send it to the number, and then you sort out. My baby. Hey, ukuyitshela mama yini. Uyifake account lona ufuna ukusithoma nje.
Sithome babe, sizokuhleka nje.
athi siyayitshela senzeni sikhulumela ngokuphusha amabhizinisi. Push ibhizinisi siyayitshela.
Ay, shuthi kungafanele sibe namabhizinisi siyazitshela.
Hayibo. Hayi nokuthi mhlambe siyafronta ngawo ukuthi amabhizinisi wamayenza million a month. Hayibo. Siyacela ukuthengelwa mkhozi. Thini nalo?
Bakwethu. Ay.
I'm in Pretoria, can you deliver to me? Yes, sis. In Pretoria, everywhere we deliver, my love. Uma ubumntwana. Malu kuzenza ngcono naye akazenzi. Thank you. One time, because what do you mean? What did we do?
Ngahleka yazi no ngihlekile because what the heck uyahlanya sis.
Hayibo. Omolemo, thank you Chomi kyaziza amanyana Chomi ape kyakowa wangwa wampomo kyakowa ka skin kyakowa
Wampomo.
when you see me hey Chando, what color your nails? These are peach, baby. Today we are matching the peach.
Pinda.
Singing the peach.
Chando.
Yini?
Pinda. Mtshela ukuthi
Am I the only one obsessed ngomlenze kaLenshenki? Akhona, come on, girl. You can't be. You can't be. Ngikuphi mina khona la umlenze kaLenshenki? Yo. Wena ungcono ubona lapho mina ngubona 99 ngasi ngawuluma. Wangwa.
Sathi umlenze umzimba wonke ihlathi.
Iqolo laLenshenki, yonke into Lenshenki. Lempahla Lenshenki. Ubuso, ethi mama hey. Ubani ngafuna ukugesa ukuthi Lenshenki ufana nobani?
Angibatshelile.
Nimanske imagine. Obatshelile?
Ngibatshelile mangabe bebalalele bazokutshela.
Angazi ngabona amawela nje ezweni. Lenshenki. Bekufanele kube ijimbosi into ekhona. Oh fresh lo muntu. Hey mama hey. Wahukwa Chomi mara. Wangwa Chomi, wangwa Chomi. Daddy, usontshelile uDumi.
Tumakimang.
Nginibona ngenkulumo zenu. Nginibona ngama
Tumakimang.
Sorry love.
Tumakimang.
Sorry love. Shame ufana no angazi ngasibona isimatsasa sentombazane lesiya.
Fana nsino baba ke akathathanga next year. Oh, she actually took my eyes. She has hazel brown eyes.
Unayo nebhazu, hayi.
Nesipho, yes. Funa kanjalo. Hleki nomntwana, umntwana athatha ibhazuka.
It's amalips.co.za baby. Know me? Amalips.co.za. Ngena lapha screenshot what you want, take it 50% off guys. That is
Kana ngoni moto yakas.
Aya sinako.
Lamborghini ayibo.
Shoot it. Show me. Turn it.
Shoot it.
Man, nasi.
Ngazofana.
Iyo.
Ayike.
Umntana omtshela ukuthi ngifisa ukuyikibela.
Wena uyabatshela mohlangana nabo ukuthi uyafisa. Manje mina ngimise yabi.
Ngiyabatshela ngithi wow.
Good for you girl. Ayi mina ngeke ngibatshela.
Iyo guys.
Ayibo Thando yazi ngahlangana nobani? Useyabo. Oh, usaphila. Angimazi imvulaphi lento ewomile yazini.
Awusile.
Izingomele to the core ngathi ayi wena uqhamuka apha usawomanga wahlenga.
Umbona
Endaweni nje yazi. Ngathi ayi wena yazini uqhamuka
apha. Good for you girl. Ubani untando shwandalo kimi unje. I want to tell you. Unje. Uthanda good for you. Ngidelela kabi.
Ngise good for you because uyabatshela ukuthi.
Ngidelela lento le.
No, but good for you, babe. Ngizawuthini mina? Hayibo.
Tando umsana umseya.
Ibo ngasapoqoka ngathi hey wena who are you?
And unamanga ngabe kudala ngitshotha uhlaya futhi namanga.
Ngikhohliwe indaba nayo mfana wami enyithi.
Into yanini wena xokile amasimba ngoba uzongifonela same time. Namanga hayi.
Last week.
Uzixokile amasimba wangwa.
Last week. Hey wawami umuntu ngathi manje ngathi uhengiwe amahlombe sebefly emoyeni.
Namanga.
Ngathi bandla. No way.
Yasapoqoka usile Duma ngithi yambona.
Indaba ngikhunjuzwa ukuthi ngiqeda ukubona imoto yakhe manje.
I think imagine sekapoqokile ngabe kudala ngabe ungifonele same time same place namanga.
Why imagine umuntu epoqokile? Hayibo. Ayi bandla.
Maybe usedieting Danki Mankosi. Hawu.
Which there's nothing wrong makazi dieting kodwa yena ngimbone epoqokile. Whether usedieting or not upoqokile and ungidinile the way angiambushe ngakhona.
Namanga.
Injani mama ngathi le voice emva kwami ngiyayazi. Le voice emva kwami ngiyayazi mangithi hayibo.
Yini into akuambushe yona akubulise kamnandi so usile.
No, ngizokuactela yona out ngikubonisa ukuthi wenze kanjani. Oh.
Kanti kukude la ushutha khona namkhosi.
Sengifike.
Kule nje ngifuna ingcenye uthi.
Ayithi ngitshelile ukuthi ngiyaphi.
Ndwangwa.
Ekseni ngitshelile. Ngakubuza ngathi wena uyoshop happy ngakutshela ngathi ngiyoshop.
Ngalapho.
Yeah babe.
Manje la usuke khona bekungasilapho.
No. Bekulapha eloneni. Eloneni angithi.
Kanti nangikeke uyabuza riki ngikuphoqoka biyanunga.
Isisami sibhlungu guys yazi kade ngejimini izolo. Isisu sibhlungu.
Just like your WhatsApp with the pinned number. The pinned number is you buying the water that I sell. I've got different sizes, different prices, obviously. And then we've got slush puppies and popcorn. We order there for your events, for your even when you are chilling at home. If you want slush, you can buy, popcorns and all of that. And then
popcorns.
I have a 50%
handbag. Ngiyongena kanjani la ngaphethanga handbag kodwa Jehova
awuyiphethanga emotweni.
I think ikhona i-clash bag xa usengena nge-clash la.
Hayi cha nale way nje ungena okanye. Uhlalisa ama-bag nyana 2 emotweni for lama circumstance.
Angithi ngishije imoto angeke ngishiye la kanti soshiyala ngihambangale.
Awusho vele futhi awungiphinde.
Hayi angeke ngisakhona. Ena ngibona ukuthi ngizongena la.
Dando bathi with the popcorn and slush do you do birthday packages?
Yebo yes. Yebo yes.
Hi Dando, you must also be aware on TikTok there's also a fake account there. Whenever you post on TikTok account, they also post on their.
I know, and bayangiblock angithi khona ngeze ukuba report izinja.
Masanginazo lezo inkinga ezingaka yazi.
Ithawazi siyawuthula ithawazi.
Wo anginayo. Anginazo lezo indaba. Noma ngazisearch nje khona lady yamawi 1 especially here on Instagram anginazo nje inkinga ezithatha kangaka njengezenu. Yo. Angazi ngidila njani yazi.
Yazahlangana naye eqoqethu kakhulu.
Usaselapho?
No, ukuthi nje angikholwa ukuthi uyangiphikisa.
Hayi wena, usaselapho?
Yebo ngisaselapho.
Awuyekile useyapho. Cishe ngathi awuyekile useyapho alale ngokuthula. Hayibo.
Hayi. Dando babe.
Lady Ama, you are next makoti wa vendor. Ngidomari wandini.
Bandla ngaze ngisho.
Ngidomari wandini vendor.
Emini kapha. Hi.
But the account on Facebook can be reported because they ask for name of the person they impersonating.
I know.
And we're now vain.
Yes, I know, guys. Thank you actually for reporting, for trying to report, because if I didn't know, I wouldn't have known rather of this information if you guys didn't tell me. So now I know I have a better plan. I have a better plan. So please don't stress.
To
Thank you
the
so
core. That
much.
is all 10. Uthe to the core. Utheni. Yini le to the core issue.
To the cause, hope to the call.
Unosile wena. No, I'm asking vele. Uthi, who's gonna marry me in Venda? Ish. Network has left us. Network has left us. Now it's time for us to go. Maybe I must go to this game. Maybe I must go to this game. I'm so tired though. You must make your pictures not to be screenshotted. How do you do that? Please DM her that information. How do you do that? Time to tell dates. My favorite thing is Emma. Shut up, baby. Dandy sos Pumele.
Okay,
Sos Pumele mkhozi. Bebakufonela indoda yakho ne? Bekufonela indoda yakho into enginothisa ngawo. Masoshiya kanje.
maybe machine heavy man. Bye bye. Next time on FaceTime. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye bye.
Schwab, guys.
Rob.